A lot of us drink tap water like it's not a big deal because we can't see what's in it. But there can be things that are invisible to the naked eye that can impact your gut, your skin, your overall health. That's why I was looking for a better option. Okay, today I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna set up the AquaTru Carafe. Then I'm gonna do a taste test against straight tap water to see if it's actually worth all the hype. Quick heads up, AquaTru sent me this so I could demo it from a regular consumer point of view, but everything you'll see here is my honest opinion and my first time experience. I like this. Okay, love the kettle. All right, guys, I just unboxed everything. You get the quick start guide. The tap water tank holds unfiltered tap water about 2.5 liters. Ooh, the glass carafe collects purified water about 1.9 liters. And yes, this can fit in your fridge. The filter system. You've got the pre-carbon, the RO filter, and the VOC carbon filter. Everything is coded and labeled. The power adapter, and then this is the filter removal tool we'll use for later. Just so you know, this is the more compact, fridge-friendly version. Same AquaTru tech as the classic, just smaller. Okay, first time setup. So we're gonna walk through everything you need to know to get your AquaTru Carafe running. Step 1, access the filters. First, to access the filters, remove the tap water tank from the top. Underneath, remove the blue plugs covering the filter inserts. Step 2, insert the filters. So we just unpacked the 3 filters and we're gonna insert them one by one with their design locations, and it's all color coded. You'll see each filter base is color coded and labeled for the correct filter. To install, you just slide the filter along the guided side. So you'll see the guide, so you just put it right on the guide, and then you'll lock it into place by pressing down on the filter lock until you feel it snap. Repeat that to complete all 3 filters. Step 3, fill the tap tank. You're gonna wanna fill it with cold or room temperature water and place it right on the base like this. Step 4, place the carafe. Place your glass carafe in the purifier. So what you want, step 5, plug it in and your AquaTru will start filtering automatically. You'll see the purifying indicator light on this control panel right here, which will start pulsating, which means it's actively filtering. AquaTru will stop filtering when the glass carafe is full or the tap water tank is ready to be empty. The display panel will eliminate the empty and refill tap tank indicator to remind you to empty the wastewater. Step 6, first tank plus water waste. After the first full tank is filtered, empty out both the tap tank and the glass carafe. Then refill your tap water tank and place both reservoirs back on the base. Step 7, run 4 full tanks first. This is really important. If this is your first time running AquaTru, you need to run it 4 times through the system prior to drinking. This step is really important just to precondition and flush out the filters before consuming your purified water. Okay, and also guys, you may notice some bubbles or cloudiness in the tap water tank the first time. That's just trapped air escaping from the new filters. Step 8, quick wash after your 4 cycles. Once you've completed your 4 full cycles, give your tap tank and carafe a quick wash with soap and water, then fill up the tap water tank, place both reservoirs back on the base, and you're ready to filter your first real tank of delicious AquaTru water. Here are some helpful tips. If your AquaTru does not start, check that both the tap tank and the glass carafe are properly in place and that the power cord is plugged in. AquaTru will not operate if all the parts aren't fully in place. Always place your AquaTru on a flat, stable surface, away from direct sun and any heat source. Discarding the water waste after each cycle extends the life of AquaTru and the filters. If you don't empty the tank each time, you'll strain the system, strain your filters, and void your warranty. AquaTru's patent technology works by recirculating the water and concentrating contaminants in the tap water tank. That's why you have to discard the wastewater remaining in the tap water tank. Wash both tanks once a week to keep your water pure and clean. Who is it for? If you want reverse osmosis water without a huge countertop unit, this carafe is perfect, especially for renters, apartments, smaller households, or anyone who wants fridge-ready purified water. Quick caveat, if you want a larger capacity model, you might want to go check out my unboxing and tutorial guide for the AquaTru Classic model in the info cards at the end of the screens and in the description. Okay, you guys ready? This is the moment of truth. Wow. Wow. No weird aftertaste. It just tastes really fresh. Like, really fresh. Okay, it tastes like bottled water, but fresher. I can totally tell the difference. This is great. Thank you for joining our AquaTru family. I hope you enjoy the convenience of drinking pure, healthy water from your countertop while saving the environment from single-use plastic waste. With AquaTru's patent ultra-reverse osmosis technology, you get pure, delicious water with every glass. If you want to grab one for yourself, check in the links in the info cards, end screen, or in the description. Cheers!